Okay, welcome everyone at the rabbit hole session. It's Sunday, 9th August. Let me know if you hear me good. And we start with what's up, Christian? We start with Friday evening news. Once a deal is announcement to resume commercial shipping without obstacles, the US will lift blockade of Iran ports. That's a good news. Oil drop down, S&P spike up, gold probably also spike up in the same time. All good, thank you for your feedback. How you doing? How was your weekend? Also, we got the information about yen intervention, Japanese yen. I don't know if someone trading Japanese yen. I'm not, to be honest. I'm not interested in that pair. Good, I'm back in UK. Started work already. Oh, back to the work after vacation is the worst thing. You need to change your vacation mood. Yeah, and I can't see anything important since Friday. Only that Friday evening information about the blockade of Iran ports. So yeah, let's check the calendar. I need to make money in trading so I can stop working. Yeah, I believe that's a goal of most of the traders. They are learning how to trade because they want to leave their job and start trading. They think it's going to be a freedom, but you know, if you start treating it like an obsession, it's not going to be good. Also, be care of the world around you. Friendships, relationships, and things like that, you know. And a lot of patience with that stuff. Some people are profitable after 1 year. The others starting to be profitable after 5 years. And some people just never be profitable. They lose money, a lot of money, and a lot of them finish as a broken person. AI said only about 5 to 15% of retail day traders. Okay, they talking about day traders, but we also have a scalping style and swing style. I am more like a swing style trader slash day trader sometimes. Are profitable in any single year. Yeah, look how it's formatted. It's any single year. So there is an information about trading is a marathon. It's not about 1 month. They are not profitable in 1 month, in 1 week. in any single year. So there is a marathon. A lot of time you need to spend on the charts and repeat your rules, your strategy. Then you can call yourself as a profitable trader, successful trader. When looking at the long-term consistency over multiple years, there is also information multiple years, man. That number drops sharply to 1 to 3%. So imagine if you're trading 5 years, maybe 2 years can be super good, but then something break out, maybe in your life, maybe the psychology, maybe the something inside you start maybe breaking your rules, and that number drops sharply, 1 to 3%. That's crazy. Imagine there is how many traders are in the world. Okay, so 100 to 150 million individuals. There is active retail traders, okay, 100 to 150 active traders, and yeah, let's use that numbers. So 1 to 3% is 10k, right? Or my math is fuck up. $1 million x 3%. Yeah, 30,000 if we count that lower number with highest number. So yeah, I was right. 1% is a 10k from oh no, I can't I count 1 million. There is 100 million. Okay, so it's scale up 2 zeros plus, so 300,000 k. 300,000, yeah. 300,000. 300k. 300k people are profitable. It's a lot, to be honest. 300 people, it's a lot. Okay, I'm surprised. There is a lot of people profitable. When we look at the percentage, it's quite a bit low because 1 to 3%. But if we compare it to the numbers, yeah, it's a lot if we compare it to the numbers. I need to make money in trading so I can stop working. I am in no rush. I still learn now. I treat it like a job. Yeah, that's a good point of view. Okay, let's back to the calendar. Monday, Cleveland inflection. Okay, it's a low impact. So no news on Monday. Tuesday, existing home sales. It can be low impact / medium impact. It can hit as a medium impact, but usually it's low impact. Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday we got the CPI. So bonus session for the Wednesday CPI. 10 minutes before CPI outcome, I will be live. And last week we got the NFP. This week we can expect CPI data. Pretty nice. Thursday. Core PPI. Okay, it's more like a mid impact, but with unemployment claims that three together can give us big volatility. And Friday, retail sales, prevailing consumer sentiment. Okay, it's also mid impact / low impact. They count it as a mid impact, but it's also can hit as a low impact news. So for upcoming week, our eyes on Wednesday for sure. New York Open, 2:30 p.m. Central European time zone. Let's look at the chart. Gold. Yeah, we can open probably with a gap. I was not looking at the gold 24/7 during the weekend because I got my stuff to do, and I just cash out every position before NFP, and I was just chilling during the weekend. I enjoy last week, very great week. So weekly, we got our breakout from the consolidation. We spoke and signs somewhere here and here about forming the accumulation. That was in June. So over 1 month in accumulation. Now we talk about the possible breakout and forming double bottom on weekly. Now we have a breakout, so this is signal for the change of character, and we are on the way to hit 4.5K, maybe a bit higher. That's the area for possible rejection, bigger pullback to the downside, and then we'll see if we just continue falling down, we're creating another range, or we have a full reversal to reach new all-time highs. We will see. But when gold started running last year, it just finished at October before bigger pullback and accumulation phase. So now, can we run till October? I don't know, but peace deal is coming. I believe the peace deal is coming soon. Interest rates probably not hike up because inflation is on the stable levels. Let's look at the possibility for rise the rates. Oh, you see, it's changed a lot. There is more chance now to pause the rates on the current level. There is more chance, and I believe it will grow up and grow up till 16 September. 16 September, new rate cuts decision, and for now the chance for keep rates on the current level is growing up. So yeah, gold have very good environment to full reversal. Gold have very good environment to full reversal that retracement and reach the all-time highs, because rates are in the good position, and also the peace deal is coming. So maybe we got the full reversal. I don't know if we can reach the all-time highs this year. That's gonna be hard, very hard. But I was trading here, man, here. I know what gold can do when it start run. I know what gold can do. It's sometimes it's crazy. Look, run, another run, retracement, 6 months retracement, and now maybe go up again. We'll see. Let's back to the bars, candles. Breakout candle, daily breakout out of this consolidation, reaccumulation, retracement, and another candle to the upside. When gold is in the expansion phase, I like to open the position on Monday and close at Friday. And I don't care which price it closed, because when weekly is just expanding, look here, what weekly do when expanding. Breakout here, breakout of all of that reaccumulation, and weekly just move up, and Monday open, Friday close, Monday open, Friday close, Monday open, Friday close. Look how short is down shadow to the downside. You can just open at the Monday, that was 591, 580. Man, that stop loss size is sick. It's just 100 pips stop loss size. And close at Friday 90 to 6 to 42. It's 500 pips. 500 pips with 100 stop loss. It's 1 to 5 for the week. And now later. So imagine if we print just 1, 2, 3, 4. Four-hour structure also. Breakout, retest, not exactly retest our support. That was $5 above, 50 pips above, but still 4-hour retracement, move up, 4-hour rejection candle, spike up, 4-hour retracement, spike up. So for the open, Friday close here, $80 $18 up, 180 pips up. So we can expect gap to the upside, small pullback and run. So what I will do, open the position, stop loss, TP, GG. A stop should be below the gap. So if we open, let's say, we print the 15 minutes candle here with gap. So you can just open your position or wait for the pullback, stop below the gap, TP 450 around, or 500, something like this, and let it run, maybe till end of the week. They can run into CPI. Possible scenarios for this week is run into the CPI huge sharp sell-off, reaccumulate and go higher. Or we can open with a retracement, find a bottom, and CPI just run like a NFP. We'll see, but the position for me is something like that. On gold. And look, last week we talked about push to the upside, and they just reached the target from last rabbit hole session. And that last rabbit hole session were very important because I'm explaining the pattern from last year, and I was also explaining the divergence with futures. So let's share it as always on our Discord. Also, if someone want to rewatch that session or just watching it now, there is a link to the Discord. Discord is free for everyone. It's a part of this channel. So this is gold. Let me know if you have some question to the gold, to the calendar, or to the geopolitics, and we move ahead with another assets: dollar, silver, indices, currency pairs, oil, crypto. So you're looking at 15 minutes to enter. Usually, yes, I'm waiting for 15 minutes close after open, because sometimes market, let me find, seek open. That was the consolidation, so yeah, but sometimes candle can just open. Wait. Candle can just open, print to the upside, and then creates a wick, close as a sheet doji, and die. So yeah, I'd like to position myself after 15 minutes candle. 5 minute strong green 5 minute, maybe good also. I don't know, I prefer to 15 minutes because 15 minutes usually do the smaller time frame pullback and close as a good candle. I will be active for the market open for sure. So Christian, I will let you know if I like to open any position after the open, market open. I will let you know on Discord. Dollar. What I like to see on dollar, pullback and go. That was so close, man, so close. But if we look at the 1 hour chart, they are consolidating, and 1 hour do the close with break of structure and below the EMA 20. So depends only on 1 hour chart. That was also a pullback candle. You can open position like this above the bodies, because with a breakout, hard pullback is not likely to see. So above the bodies and 1 to 13. Man, it's really sick. And now 1 hour can do a pullback into EMAs, and I will look for the position after fill the imbalance here, because we got the imbalance candle. I got no volume chart. Let me look at that chart. This is with volume. So let's measure the volume inside. Look how much zeros. This is true imbalance. We can also do it with FIBs. 1 hour swing high to 1 hour swing low. There is 0.5 fib level. There is 61 to 7. It's working, okay, good. Are you hear me, Christian? Let me know if you hear me, so we can move ahead. Yes, okay, good. So on dollar, in the same zone as the fib levels, there is a valid area low. So I can expect the pullback and sells. Let's do it on the previous chart. So I will share that one. There is 0.5 fib, 61 to 78. Maybe I drew the box. Yeah, that's dollar. Let me look at the risk to reward. 1 to 5. Pretty clean, man, pretty clean. It can be good. Man, something is wrong with my connection. Okay, yes, we got it, we got it. So dollar 1 to 5 possibility, good risk to reward. 0.5 fib level and 61 to 78 plus value area low from fixed volume range. Silver reached the full target zone. Silver reached the sell zone, to be honest. What now? That was the trap candle. Clean break of structure here on the weekly. Silver is messing me. I leave that box, but I'm bullish on silver. I'm bullish on silver. Just after market open, and that's gonna be 1 to 7. Stop below that 4-hour candle. Stop below that candle. TP at the top of the zone, and that's gonna be even 1 to 8. Yeah, let me do the screenshot like that. Silver, that idea, hit profit 1 to 3. That idea, swing idea, hit profit 1 to 18. Man, 1 to 21 on silver. Clean, clean. Maybe I should do the currency pairs, screenshots, metals, screenshot, crypto, screenshots. Yeah, I will think about it for the next rabbit hole. S&P. I will leave that zone. They just miss us. And let me look at the lower time frame. 1 hour. 15. Okay, 15 minutes looking so good. Maybe I do this. If we close above with 15 minutes candle with the break of structure here. Just open the position. If we do the retracement, also that's gonna be the zone for reversal to the upside. Bullish market is my environment, to be honest. I like bullish market. Euro. Yeah, euro. That's why I was waiting for clean structure below that line, because euro just break up. And now fixed volume range. Point of control, yeah. When we do it from this low, okay, it's lower, but fixed volume range is useless on that move. It's a good tool, but sometimes it's useless. GU, yeah, we talk about GU to return for that level. They didn't. They were very close into the zone, and now they are running to the upside. So also here or here. Japanese yen. Japanese yen same as dollar, you know. I will leave that higher zone because we got the liquidity here. So maybe if 1 hour zone didn't respect the chart, we can see a price action inside that box. But for now, For now, something like that. USD JPY, USD Swiss franc. Swiss franc, very sharp move, the sharpest of our DXY pairs. Opportunity on that move is very good risk to reward. Look, 1 to 6, pretty nice. If we got deeper in the zone, it can be 1 to 10 or something. Bitcoin, my friend Bitcoin. they didn't fall down. I will leave that zone anyway. One hour break of structure here. Pulls back and maybe go to the upside. Let me check if they can go lower. Yeah, they can. If we candle close above that trap candle on the 1 hour with break of structure, I will want to see push it to the upside. Or if we go into OG zone, there is also trap candle, I want to buy Bitcoin also. So depends on the scenario. There is two of them. Depends on the scenario. I will push my trigger. And oil. GG. Oil GG. It's not looking good. It's looking like a 61.78 pullback. Yeah, 61.78 pullback. There is a liquidity. There is also resistance. So I will play the same for the oil, man. I will play the same. I got the True Social notification. Okay, nothing relevant. So we got the every pair breakdown, a lot of setups for the market open. I will pay attention for the gold, silver and Bitcoin. That's three of them are my favorite. So let's check it once again. Gold. We probably open with a gap up. If the 15-minute candle close above this level, that was 15-minute chart, or no, that was 1 hour. So after 15-minute candle close, I will try to enter it, and I will let you know on Discord if I'm entering the position or not entering. So gold, I will send information about gold after market open. That's the first of my favorite setup for the market open. The second one is silver. Silver 4-hour chart, open after the market open, stop loss above the 4-hour candle, and let it run for the top of the zone for sells. I don't want to sell it. I can't see any sells on silver, so yeah, I just want to see the up move, and that's the setup. Silver is very interesting. I will play it for sure. And the last one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin 1 hour candle, break of structure or deep into the zone, reaccumulate, 5 minutes chart minimum, because this is 1 hour range, so 5 minute chart minimum, and run to the upside. So gold, silver, Bitcoin are my favorite, and also I like that Swiss franc. It's like a bonus. Gold, silver and Bitcoin favorites, and that bonus is Swiss franc for sales. So let me know if you have some question. 3 minutes more here, and we are about to finish. So I will let you 3 minutes and we'll see the questions. Gold and silver rocket, yeah. Yeah. Gold and silver skyrocket, I believe. Wait. Okay, I also need to do a phone call. We break down any assets. Gold and silver skyrocket. Bitcoin, I believe also. There is every setup. So thank you for being here with me today. I hope you get some value. Be careful at the market open, and I wish you the nice rest of the night. Sleep well, guys. We see you again at Tuesday, Wednesday, CPI. So bonus session for CPI, volatility day. Yeah. So that's all. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Good night. I will send. I will send when I open gold after market open on the Discord. So watch Discord. Take care and see you soon on Tuesday. Bye bye.